Original Justice Man, champion sound.
The DJ accepts no responsibility for the next record. This is a request.
Peter, what's a bumbleclot? What were you saying?
Bumbleclot. Bumbleclot is one of Jamaica's password, one of the most highest potential of culture that relieve the spells of evil.
Why? How?
Well, it's so scientifical. I've been investigating this word so long to find out what these words mean and what they are for, cause in the beginning was the Word, and the Word was with Jah, and the Word was Jah. The same is in this time, cause so it was in the beginning, so shall it be in these days.
I see.
Well, I was born and raised and grown up in colonialism and exploitation. And hear that, and I heard that bumbleclot, rasclot, blood clot, and every kind of clot you can think of is bad word and indecent language.
Yeah.
And I born come here it in Jamaica, so why is it indecent? So I went on an investigation. And once upon a time, I found myself in some circumstances, held down by some spiritual vampires that my mouth couldn't move, my tongue couldn't shake, my hand couldn't move, and the only thing could make me move is say, move your bumbleclot, and I'm free.
All right.
Yes, I. And from that day on, I never stop say bumbleclot. Yes, I.
Original Justice Man, champion sound.
Yeah! Rastafari.
Everyone is crying out for peace, yes. Everyone is crying out for peace, yeah. I don't want no peace. I need equal rights and justice. I need equal rights and justice. Oh, I need equal rights and justice. Got to get it. Equal rights and justice. Everybody wants to go to heaven, but nobody wants to die. Followers of Jesus, everybody wants to go up to heaven, but none of them want to die. I don't want no peace. I might need equal rights and justice. I got to get it. Equal rights and justice. I really need it. Equal rights and justice. Just give them my share. Equal rights.
Justice is.
Rosa!
Well, yeah. Whoa, 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 whoa. Well,
Justice!
by the rivers of Babylon, where justice sat down, and in every way he remembers Zion. 'Cause justice sound of kill them all. Come back alone and now he's here to kill another sound. How can a sound come? There's justice and him not ready. 'Cause justice sound have killed them all. And come back alone, now he's here to kill another sound. How can a sound come? There's justice and he not ready. Killing justice now. Holding justice now. Well. We're gonna sing and shout it. Shout it about justice now. his whole name.
The man, the message, the mystic. Mr. Bob Marley, tell us, what do you think makes a song like Justice such a force to be reckoned with? Well, right now my life is my life, you know what I mean? If me feel live my life and I really say Justice a kill sound, well, I don't really want it. And a sound for really remember says I shot the sheriff and I'm gonna get shot too. You know what I mean?
Wow. Justice is a champion, killing son boys in the lawn. If you listen, Justice son, then you will hear. Sound boy, don't play the first dub plate, 'cause you won't live to play the last. Many sons will have to suffer, many sons will have to die. Ask Justice why. Sound clash is not the way it used to be. Justice won't tell no lie. Well, many sons will have to face reality now. Though they try to find the answers to all the dub plates we play, but I know it's impossible. Justice kill them any day and keep us down. Justice.
Sound and sound can never be friends. Oh no, 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 no. Whoa, no. Easy Fat and Juvenile scene. He just scam with knocked up plates and no 45s. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow this sound all the days of his life. There'll be no sound, no wish to play with nothing but no sound. But there comes a day you'll be beaten by the Justice sound. Whoa, cook them Papa Justice. Whoa, whoa Lord. Whoa, murder them a Justice. Whoa, yes. My head is anointed and my cup runneth over. Well, surely goodness and mercy shall follow Justice all the days of his life. There'll be no sound, no wish to test Justice sound now. But there comes a day they'll be beaten by the Justice sound. Ooh, cook them Papa Justice. Ooh, murder them a Justice. Yeah.
How did you start out meeting Bob and Bunny?
Well, we didn't start as a trio. We started as about a seven. About 7 people was in the group them time. Even Joe Higgs used to sing with us once upon a time. So and his partner and 2 girls used to sing with us one time.
And Junior
Brathwaite used to sing with us. Vision used to sing with us. So I started from a huge group, which was a family-like. But due to unfavorable financial condition at that time, even until this time, we would not be able to cope with a group that size. See, even if it was getting $5 million a week. See, so we couldn't cope with that unfavorable financial condition, caused the group to disintegrate and break down to 3. And when it broke down to 3, once upon a time or twice or thrice upon a time, Bob left the group due to the same unfavorable financial condition. And he went to America to work. And at the same time, we couldn't get to go to America. And music was my career, was my way of life, and my way of obtaining, achieving. So I couldn't make because he went away. I stopped singing. We continued the group, and Vision, who was a part of the Soulettes. At that time, the Soulettes was not in functioning, so he would gladly come over. And we did some work with Bunny. And the group continued to maintain the name, The Wailers.
I'ma tell them, special obligation to all the Justice masses. Yes, from my man Sugar Minor, don't know Justice sound. Kill them in a dancehall style, yeah. For all the Justice fans, hey. Whether them playing rubber dubbing or them come from some hip hop gang.
I know you love a justice of all forward. I know you love a justice of all forward. I know you love a justice of all forward. The people them love a justice of all forward.
Biddy biddy bang bang, biddy bang bang, biddy men. Biddy biddy bang bang, biddy bang bang, biddy men. Hey, we murder them, them. But I want do them, them. But I want do them, them. I been on the hoe. Oh, this a sound bad so. Men on the hoe. Oh, this a sound bad so. Spy must die tonight, a sound off we die. Spy must die, me say that sound off we die. But I want do them, them.
And music is my game, alright. When justice throw this one to your brain, you're bound to spread with name. Oh Lord, me say that sound boy killing and murder. Blow. Oh Lord, I tell you justice, come fi put it little further. Blow. Oh Lord, I tell you come fi ram up every creases, every corner. Blow. Oh Lord, because we coming at the dance and we really not blurry lick hotter than a SLR. Say we coming at the dance and we really not blurry lick hotter than a SLR. Me say that sound boy killing and murder. Blow. Oh Lord, I tell you justice, come fi put it little further. Blow. Oh Lord.
Fablo Junior, they must lie you down. Tell them justice. No sound of rough, no sound of better than the justice sound. Justice sound are the number
original
one.
Justice
Boom,
man,
and a
the
buy
champion
and a
sound.
out of the jam. Tell them justice, them sound boy go feel this at one. Say one, them a go feel this at one. Kill sound of yard and kill sound of England. No sound of rough, no sound of tough, no sound of better than we sound. Every sound in our zone and just some simple sound. Must kill one. Justice sound, I know you must kill one. Up there, justice, you must kill one. Justice sound, I know you must kill one.
Lord of mercy. In front of station, the ganja pipe a bun. Smoke from the chalice, make the Babylon high run. Him get vexed, go clean up the machine gun. And come in at the dance while come run, choose it down. Taffy bun, oh, chalice have it, bang, bang, Lord. Stand up in a justice one Saturday night. Out the street, I'm on sight, a big bright light. The Babylon are coming at them red, black and white. Them coming at the dance one, come give justice a fight. Me say, hey, Mr. Officer, you must be mad. Go and go smoke a cigarette when mix up with jag. I'm an only prayer to the Almighty God. When you sight justice, oh no, we go on like you bad. Taffy bud, oh, the chalice of it, bang, Lord. I say I cares for nothing else. The only thing for me, Lord, is me bubbling telephone shallow in the morning. The chalice of it burn. Justice tell them the herb can't done. Along, Lord Juvenile, big like a gasoline cylinder. I man ram it with a pound of sense in me, yeah. Pipe lock off, me have to get I cannot water. Babylon a come and me have to jump through the window. It have to burn, Juvenile. The chalice have to bang, Jesus Christ.
I heard there's marijuana play in your life.
Marijuana? I don't smoke marijuana, man. I smoke herb.
Herb?
Yes, I. Marijuana is a girl from Cuba. The lawmakers make every name illegal to incriminate the underprivileged, and I, who happen to be one of the so-called underprivileged, happen to grow in the constituency of those laws, where they call the healing of the nation ganja and all form of dangerous, abusive names. See?
Ganja is an abusive name?
Yes, man. Ganja is a bird in Australia. See? And I don't smoke ganja. Herb and music is the healing of the nation. See? Herb is the key to inspiration, the doors of inspiration. Without herb, any other thing causes distortion and the confusion. See? And I live in the realms of inspiration. It is totally illegal for me not to smoke herb. See? And totally unlawful, or what you would say ungodly, because it is against my religion not to smoke herb.
See? Because he watereth the hills from his chambers, and the earth is satisfied. He maketh the grass to grow for animals, and the herb for the use of man. And the laws that man lay down to incriminate and victimize and humiliate man for the use of herb, it is becoming so monotonous and,
absurd.
It looks so primitive, because I was just coming into America the other day and got checked for just some dust in Jamaica that grow everywhere. Every corner you look, herb tree grows there. And you can't stop it from growing, because I come to America and spend 2 weeks, and when I go back to my house, it's a big tree like this. Who put it Yes, so it's just a thing.
What can you do about that?
Yes, just go and smoke it.
Smoke it.
Because you know the use of it, see? And herb is created for medical, spiritual, and scientific purposes, see? And the man is trying to make it look insignificant to man, or people who claim themselves to be more privileged than some people, see? And research and search and go through all form of labrical information and all kind of, I can't even express it on the radio here because they may sound subversive, And the people who make the law and call this dangerous drugs and poison, they don't charge you for attempting suicide when you commit such an act or such a felony. Because if a man is using something dangerous to his temple, that means he's committing a felony or attempting to commit a felony to his system or destroy the system. And they don't charge you for that. They charge you having dangerous drugs in your possession or ganja. I don't know what ganja is. Ganja is a bird in Australia.
There is trouble in your way every night and day.
And them sound on the big sound.
Every night and day. Whoa. There is trouble in your way every day. Papa Justice mash you up, sound by what you have to say. Justice sound has a lot of credentials. Justice sound rules competition. Back up and go. Back up and go. Go home. So pack up your sound and go. Sound boy, go home. Because you get overthrow. So come here. This sound, rubber dub sound plays. Daddy Justice play all day.
Justice time. Shut down, you versatile. Juvenile, well versatile. You want one now? Singing one eye, justice in set to eye. Just come for the roots, come please the massive eye. So, not up your ear and live a righteous life, son. You'll be blessed as a Rastafari. I had to make a living cause I had a family. And food he must eat and clothes he must wear. Never had a bus fear, not a red cent around. I listen justice, it a the champion sound. Say long ear, pretty people need not apply. No one no old nigga strictly Rastafari. Say long ear, pretty people need not apply. Easy shot dog, cause you must get a blind. So take off your damn, come here the champions. Is I for the roots round justice mic stand. A special request to all the dancehall fan. When you hear justice and you skank the version, just wait Mr. Some boy don't run like you mad. Justice him represent his majesty God. Equality and justice stand for all. Say listen justice and nice up the dancehall. So singing one eye justice and say two eye. Just come for the roots.
Yo, sound boy, yo. Hey, sound boy. A sound is on die boy. Die tonight boy. Shouldn't test the justice on. Stand your heart. Even though we say no sound, no rough, no tough, no better than justice sound. No sound, no rough, no tough, no better than this one. No sound, no rough, no tough, no better than justice sound. No sound, no rough, no tough, no better than this one. If a sound cash them a deal with them, we keep it to themselves. Justice poison.
Justice I go wounded a sound. Justice I go kill off a sound. Hi. You what? Kill a sound, why we a go kill a sound, why justice? Kill a sound, why we a go kill a sound, why? Dub set where we a use, we a go kill a sound. 45 where we a use, we a go kill a sound, why? You know say justice, a the best out of all. You know say little John wine go ram dance hall. Cause some will rise, some will fall. Galang justice, you run the dance hall. Galang justice, you rule the dance. You what? Ready, me say so not ready. And I like that. Ready, me say so not ready. And I drop the way them a play. No, them not ready. 45 where them a play.
Original
no,
justice, man.
The
Champion
where them a play. No, them not ready. Oh, yeah. I'm singing about justice. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I'm singing about justice.
Back in yours. Take a look at the idiot sound out of this. What's it not, yeah? Back in yours, justice. Back in yours. Lord of mercy. Some people for justice and the rough and sound and play rough but tough in the whole of the world. And I don't care and I don't mind on what no dibby son boy want to do or say. Idiot, how will you a do? How will you a try? And I only try, you a try. Me say tonight you're going to die for justice. Don't tell a lie. And all the try, you a try. Me say to the night you're going to die for Brigade. Don't sell some fire. It goes, the boom boom ba ba ba. Why idiot sound on it? I ain't in some with you, so justice system going to ba ba ba. Why idiot sound on it? I ain't in some with some people for justice going to death. Come follow me.
Stand it high. Nana living boy, stand it high. Hey. A shine eye sound boy can't test the justice sound. Oh boy. A idiot sound boy can't test the justice sound. Arise, early looking some job from early well. I'm looking for the sound boy, but in the area. Hey. Oh, I take a walk down the street. Hey. I say the sound boy, the punk corner, I run up him up. Who is bad and who is sad and who is bad? A idiot sound boy can't test the justice sound. Hey. A idiot sound boy can't test the justice sound. See? A shine on sound boy, said I tell you that you lie. Oh, a idiot sound boy can't test the justice sound.
I'm just the same. Some boys stop playing hide and seek. Run, come face defeat. Some boy no bother try tonight. For justice we die, what a different proposition is. No, sound like the justice sound that I know. Can't make the dance will ram up tears. No, sound like the justice sound that I know. Ribby bang bang day. Now justice the massive love your style. For when you play it sound wicked and wild. No idiot sound can taste the night. For justice yes we die a judge. Though we are the best yes no. Sound like justice sound that I know. Can't make the dance will ram up yes no. Sound like the justice sound that I know. Some boy want make you run it. Oh yeah. Want make you run it son. Some boy make you run it. Someone make you run it, son.
Say come now, justice if you come now. Come now, justice if you come now. Come now, justice if you come now. Let us wave the dance on. Let us kill them sound boys. Justice rule forever. Justice rule forever. Sound boy you're falling and you really don't know. Sound boy you're falling and you really don't know. Sound boy you're falling and you really don't know. Don't know. Say forward justice if you forward now. Forward justice if you forward now. Forward justice if you forward now. No turning back I say hey. Oh no, ain't no turning back in my sound. Calling on sound boys, some come here to kill it. Justice.
Hey, you tell him now. We used to let Charlie's cook items together. Play football and cricket as one brother. Now to your breast a jungle, or you might block a breamer. You want come fight against your brother. I said justice, but I hate you and soundboard, put them on the holder. I said we used to lick Charlie's cook items together. Play football and cricket as one brother. You could have come from east, you could have come from west, come from Jacksonville or Miami or Orlando. Somehow you know you back could die. Justice kill you.
Right.
Don't ask me why.
Justice, when I love people, I treated her the cool. She broke my heart, the baby cry. Broke any rule, and that's right too. Confession, even read my story, read it in the magazine. And then all of a sudden, when she goes on, I still won't listen to me. But when I call her up and I apologize, she tell me, say she love justice indeed. But I'm afraid until the rest of life, because I know she won't listen to me. Cause I know she won't listen to me. Lord, I know she won't listen to me. Why hear justice through him of this style, along with little time to make the dance lively. Dancer, singer in that category. But still I call her up and I apologize to tell me that she love justice indeed. But I'm afraid until the rest of life, because I know she won't listen to me.
What a yeah. When I used to go to school, Justice taught the golden rule. He says, son, you better know yourself, because in time to come it's going to be dread. Now them gone a burial ground, them never walk a burial ground. Yes, them gone a burial ground, them never walk a burial ground. Oh mother, I wish you was around to see our justice, I murder every sound. Him use them like a tool, oh Lord. The whole of them just a turn fool, Lord, Lord. Cause them gone a burial ground, them never want go a burial ground. Justice send them a burial ground, and them never want go a burial ground, Lord, Lord. Cause justice sound are the number one sound. What a time!
I can't believe it. Justice sounded it. I have never seen a kind of sound like this. Now that we've done it, oh how they want it. Justice gotta kill some jump and sound. Hey, Juvenile! Yeah. Right now we're going through some changes.
A big sound.
If a sound boy wanna compete, Justice gonna blow them to the ground. But right now there's sound boy pretending. Justice gonna kill them now. I mean right now.
Hey, girls, I get
right now. In the heat of a dance song. Justice keep killing some sounds one by one. They didn't know what to do. In the heat of a dance song. Justice is playing just for you. Hey, could yo, kill jump and sound by ya now. Could yo, kill jump and sound by ya now. Could yo, kill jump and sound by ya now. Could yo, all the dubs in all the world means nothing to Justice sound.
Yeah, a big sound, man. What do you mean? all the tunes that you can play can't add up to the amount of justice due.
Justice in anything
for your sound. I will do anything.
Justice run thing boom trap. Now some test the justice killing the sound Listen this. Say long time the justice out of grass I look it. Come I hear some jumping sound say them mama shit. Say long time the justice out of grass I look it. Come I hear some tin-pon sound say them mama shit. Flash the justice come for flash it. Kill Mr. Juvenile and come for kill it. Ram the justice come for ramming it. Jam the justice come for jam it. Say long time I hear the justice in a dawn. We were giving little jump and sound to chance. Long time I hear the justice in a chance. We always killing some
Rastafari no man.
Justice run thing boom trap. Now some test the justice killing the sound Listen this. Say long time the justice out of grass I look it. Come I hear some jump and sound say them mama shit. Say long time the justice out of grass I look it. Come I hear some tin-pon sound say them mama shit. Flash the justice come for flash it. Kill Mr. Juvenile and come for kill it. Ram the justice come for ramming it. Jam the justice come for jam it. Say long time I hear the justice in a dawn. We were giving little jump and sound to chance. Long time I hear the justice in a chance. We always kill them sounds and put them in a trance. Sing diddle-diddle-diddle. Big up a chest Juvenile diddle-diddle-diddle. Miami and New York massive diddle-diddle-diddle. How some test the justice diddle-diddle-diddle. Listen this. Justice come for kill sound again. Ah yes. Yes, we come to teach them again. Big sound. Juvenile come to discipline them again. Ah yes. Justice come to kill them again. Ah yes. Listen to this. Kill a sound in the New York area. Kill another sound down at Jamaica. Kill a sound in the Miami area. Come on, you have to nice up the area. Kill sound again. The justice come to teach them again. You hear that?
It's making sense a million. You gotta give thanks some praise and
original justice, man. Champion song.
Murder. Make under, making up. Him name Jehovah, Jaman make under, making up. Him name Jehovah. Him inspire me to be a mic chanter.
Pull up that one, justice. Hey, pull up this Rastafari.
It's making sense a million. You gotta give thanks some praise unto the Almighty Lord God Jehovah. Do it, Jah. Murder. Make under, making up. Him name Jehovah, Jaman make under, making up. Him name Jehovah. Him inspire me to be a mic chanter. Me mass with the mic around the amplifier. Me fling when the slackness can know a culture. They conscious lyrics and go hear me utter. So if you want an adult or a teenager, say every day you wake you feel read a chapter. Beginning of wisdom is the fear of Jah. The bottomless pit make we throw Lucifer. They take away we gold jam and them take me silver. Them hang me poopa and rape me mother. Then ship me from the wonderful land of Africa. This slave with the plantation owner. They take away we name jam and them call with nigga. The hunger word we know eyes are coming mash. They tell we say we ignorant and inferior, and all them intelligent and superior. Through the complexion of them skin color. But I as a youth born as a super, me better than the bite from a tarantula. You hear from me voice a come through the speaker, but it sounds sweeter with the echo chamber. Say R for the road, C for the culture. Say S for Selassie earth rifle ruler. Say once as a lamb going to the slaughter. Now the conquering lion of the tribe of Judah. You can't enter Zion with a bushmaster, a M16 or a revolver. Set on a Babylon with your ammunition. Cause this one at the ultimate destruction. Papa Levi on the version. Hail Jaman, I Levi on the version. How me steer? jam on me cool, not stubborn like me. Me walk on the street, don't go on for food. Arrive at the dance, and make me tool. Eat for table, sitting on stool. Don't black me brown, don't black me ribs and me chest, me spine and me back. Trousers a pocket a flap with soul of rock, but reggae me chat. Cap on no buck of the buck on no cap on the bottom of bass and trouble at top. We hot, no cold, the cold, no hot. Electricity can give you a shock. No free for the mouse, no free for no rat. Start for the bottom, me reach to the top. Eat out the snap, the crackle, the pop. Me run to the toilet, pick up the crap. Be hungry again, me no eat a snack. Come from ya youth, me no score no pot. Feel me a dread, me edit no plot. No live in a house, me live in a flat. A lot of you hear when this rhythm drop. Your head, your toe, your body a rock. From me for the mic, salary rig a top. Bust slap, sabat, I'm a coach up a top. African land of the iron I spot. In time of trouble, Jah not turning back. Me pray to Jah, me never will stop. Who worship Satan a foolish idiot. Jah blow bread, the devil cannot. Who get a bullet, no Mr. Sadat. After Reagan public fire shot. Malcolm X take it on the spot. Up in a Zion, the righteous a top. Down in a hell, the wicked a rap. The sweetest singer, a sugar miner. The mothers comedian, a Kenny Everett. Jackal a turn in a vampire back. But when him see son, him can't take that. You yeah, them that for use contact. But I'm me on the mic, is leave a chat. Not so long, Jah walk on the land. The peace so righteous as the man. Dreaded the Maccabee in him hand. Preaching love to man and woman. Him crucified by the Roman. Then he live to cross 3 foot on the man. Rise again, the resurrection. With a him create the earth and heaven. Take 6 days, not take 7. Give riches to King Solomon. Make him wiser than all other man. He could make without a damn. Living in Babylon as a black man. When army face is racialism. When me weak, then set up me strong. When me right, then set up me wrong. True me no check me politician. No care who win the election. Pandemic me please everyone. Flashing down style and fashion. Me God, me King. Him name Jehovah. Me God, me King. Him name Jehovah. Yes, him inspire me to be a mic chanter. Me mass with the mic round the amplifier. Me fling with the slackness, can know a culture. Be conscious lyrics, you go hear me utter. So if you are an adult or a teenager, say every day you wake, you feel read your chapter.
Oh, mercy, mercy me. Oh, things ain't what they used to be. Where did all these jump and sounds come from? To try and test the justice sound. Whoa, Juvenile, big up. I pray thee. Why do the sound boy rage and the people imagine of such vain things? False soul has set themselves against justice and against the righteous sin. Now come to speak the bands of thunder. You cast away the cards from us. You need a citizens ever shall laugh. Justice shall have in this region. For then shall he speak unto them this wrath, then vex them in the soul this pleasure. Clear have I set thy kings upon the holy mountains of Zion. I will know the clear decree. Justice hath said unto thee that thou art thy sons this day divided unto thee. Now after 49 I shall give thee Eden for thine inheritance, and the uttermost part of the earth for thy possession. Jah shall break them with a rod of fire. Justice shall dash them in pieces like a pot of vessel, that I would say. So be wise therefore, you sound boy, and be struck 3 for our judges have to serve. Serve justice with fear and rejoice with tremble. Cause I had the son unless he be anger, purge from his ways when his wrath is kindled but a little. And so blessed be all, blessed be everyone, as I would say. Blessed be the just, the soul, as I would say. Rastafari. Equal rights and justice, you know.
Some boy ain't kept around us, but in Jah we put our trust. Ooh, justice the champion sound. A sound boy keep on knocking, but we won't let them in. Their mind is filthy and their heart is full of sin, trying to test my sound. But we know that justice is the champion sound. The little cheap dub they playing ain't bothering me. My sound is full of style and quality, you see. We will kill your sound for the whole wide world to see. Justice will murder your sound, sound boy, for the whole wide world to see. The blessings of God is upon you. Now justice guiding and keeping you daily, you see. No. He said never have no fear. I hear that sound boy just can't come near. Let some sound boy bow down and worship the #1 sound. No. Let them call out justice sound, praises forever. Ooh, justice
This is the champion sound. No, 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 no. Justice is the number one
Lord of mercy. Jamaica, Jamaica. Jamaica, Jamaica. Hey. Jamaica, Jamaica. Yeah, don't starve. Down in Jamaica, justice born and grow. To kill that sound, that is all it know. Down in Jamaica, justice born and go to no man to kill it. That sound, that is all I know. Some why you too greedy. Tonight me say you're going to die.
Pull up that one, justice.
What a song why you too greedy. Lord of mercy. Jamaica, Jamaica. Jamaica, Jamaica. Hey. Jamaica, Jamaica. If I don't starve, down in Jamaica, justice born and grow. To kill that sound, that is all it know. Down in Jamaica, justice born and grow. No man to kill it, that sound, that is all I know. Son, why you too greedy? Tonight me say you're going to die. What a song, why you too greedy? Tonight me say you're going to die. Lord.
Straight justice.
Jesus Christ, why justice, you're nice. Lord of mercy. Pain, bang diddling, 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 bang bang pain. Justice leave us sound in pain. Justice leave us sound in pain. A pooper justice leave us sound in pain. Lord, we put them head under a running train. Bust up them marrow, we fly out them brains. And make them know the sound, yeah man, it's hard for tame. It control the street, the lane and the main. Fire pistol hero faster than John Wayne. Pain, I justice leave us sound in pain. I justice leave us sound in pain. A pooper justice leave us sound in pain. Lord, you have a idiot sound. I come from outer east, and when the dance done, the idiot just reach up. You have another one, he might come from west, we just run up and down in the idiot chest. Have another one, say he might come from south, just fling a padlock on the idiot mouth. Have another one, he might come from north. Me say no pay them, no mind them, selector don't smart. Pain, a justice leave a sound in pain. A justice leave a sound in pain. A justice leave a sound in pain.
Let's go past. I'll never let you go. Justice sound for no other sound. I will never let you go. Justice sound, no. I will never let you go. Justice sound, I've got you hold on every day, in every way, no matter what the next sound play. Just man, I feel for you, that's it, man. Let's go past. I'll never let you go. Justice sound for no other sound. I will never let you go. Justice sound, no. I will never let you go. Justice sound, I've got you hold on every day, in every way, no matter what the next sound play. Justice sound, you lead the way, night and day. I will never let you go. Justice sound, no, and I will never let you go. Justice sound, I've got you hold on every day, in every way, no matter what the next sound play. Justice sound, you lead
Jesus
the way.
Christ, fight for justice, the nice Lord of mercy. It was a lonely, lonely Sunday morning when the justice ride in town. You should have seen all those idiots sound. Oh, they run, come, gather round. No one dare try to take him. No one dare try to dip for his hip. They shouldn't challenge the original justice. He had a big iron on his hip. Big iron on his hip. That's why me tell them again, oh yo,
Tom was only 10 when his father died in prison. I was his uncle, his father, bigger brother, oh man. His daddy said, promise me, son, don't do the things I've done. Walk away from troubles if you can. Don't remember you down, mean you weak. If you don't find your M16 this week, it sound someday you're gonna grow to be a man. Justice for the little girl, cutie. Some boys would call her yellow. She rides on the back of a cow through the meadow. She rides with a shotgun in her hand. And he killed them in the ghetto. Justice killed them in the ghetto. He killed them in the ghetto. Just killed them in the ghetto. Listen me good. On a cold and great Zebulon morning, another Zebulon child was born in the ghetto. In the ghetto. Justice, he never learned how to steal, never learned how to fight. He learned to read his Bible all the time in the ghetto. In the ghetto. And again, murder them. Across the bridge, justice leaving that sound in pain and sorrow. Across the bridge, justice leave a idiot sound in sorrows and pain. No sound can test justice today or tomorrow, but justice kill idiot sound time and time again.
Pull up that one, your justice. Hey, pull up this Rastafari, no man.
Murder them. Murder them. Across the bridge, justice leave idiot sound in pain and sorrow. Across the bridge, justice leave a idiot sound in sorrows and pain. No sound can test justice today or tomorrow, but justice kill idiot sound time and time again. Yes, he made the earth, he made the sea and land, foster them together with his mighty hand. Under his control, man, and his command. Nobody but justice. Tell me who can make the dance all ram? Come tell me who can make the dance all jam? Come tell me who is the kings of sound. Nobody but justice, cause he was made in Jaja likeness, created in Jaja image. I was born to DJ justice sound, and I just can't deny him. I'll always walk beside him, cause I was born to DJ justice sound. Again, justice, if you know the job, it's keeping you. What time you worrying about? If you know the Jah is watching you, why don't you sing and shout? Sing glory, hallelujah, praise your name. For everything with Jah is just the same. If you know that Jah is watching you, what are you worrying about? No sound can kill justice, no sound. No sound can kill justice, no sound. Cause the battle at hand, and justice roll away the stone. No sound in this dance can kill justice sound. Lord, we are inviting you all to come along. We are having a glorious time. Yes, we are going to a city where the moonlights never shine. Lord, we may not know, we cannot tell if others will be there, but I say justice sound will be a light to guide us on our way. We are gonna book up in Abraham and Isaac, Moses and Elijah, Moses, Joshua, Daniel in the lion's den. Come me say Peter, Paul and Barabbas, leaning on the master. Go, justice, go, and go kill them, the hideous sound. Rock me, whoa, rock me, rock me, oh, rock me. Mount
Zion children rock home.
Them follow those sound boys. They need that sound boys. Don't follow those sound boys.
This is it originally, Justice.
If you should hear something about Justice sound, come tell it to him. I like them I tell.
Shabba Ranks Justice.
Don't follow what another sound boy say. At Justice sound, it leads the way. So don't follow them sound boys. Don't follow them sound boys. Idiot sound boys. I like them I tell.
Justice at Justice. Justice for the number one spot, man. Run Chuck Pops.
Them follow those sound boys. They need that sound boys. Don't follow those sound boys.
This is it originally, Justice.
If you should hear something about Justice sound, come tell it to him. I like them I tell.
Shabba Ranks Justice.
Don't follow what another sound boy say. At Justice sound, it leads the way. So don't follow them sound boys. Don't follow them sound boys. Idiot sound boys. I like them I tell.
Justice at Justice.
Don't follow them sound boys. Don't follow them sound boys. Justice sound. At the champion sound.
How do them look to waste? Word them a word about justice, just don't worry about them. Word them a word about we come to kill somebody. Word them a word about justice, just don't worry about them. Word them a word about we come to kill some plenty. When you're up, you're up. See them a get the up. When you're down, treat it like a clown. See a pan sound with a solid background. Shabba make them know say justice are the champion sound. Me say, up and we attack them if we put on the crown. Anything just we run them underground. When you're up, just a pretty paper sound get crushed up now.
Don't follow them sound boys. Don't follow them sound boys. Justice sound. At the champion sound. Me say don't follow those rumors. Me say them vicious rumors. Say just follow Justice sound. Oh, we are champion sound.
This is it originally, Justice.
Justice rule. Him have the tool. You tell him Justice. When I was a boy, I used to say, without Justice sound, you just can't go on. Now that I'm a man, I get to understand. Justice is ruling the land.
Now, brothers and sisters, here come the musical shock attack. The sounds call around too, you know. Come me say justice, keep you rocking and swing. Come me say justice, make you do your own thing. Run where you hold, jump and sound. Come me say justice, come fi give you rubber dub. Come me say justice, come fi do your rubber dub. Let me tell you boom. Let me tell you justice in my boom. Come me say boom 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 boom. Cause let me tell you justice in my boom. Me nah left me born land.
Jesus Christ.
Lies on me was so nice.
Nice. The juvenile style. The juvenile style. The Justice style. Lord. They say my daddy was a great old man. My daddy died with a gun in his hand. And Jaja, no one ever been to school. You could not call Justice no fool. They say, Josie, I'm depending on you, son. Don't fight fist to fist, go for the gun. It's up to you to do the best you can, Lord. Natty Dread and dash it in a Justice style. Choosing Wayne and dash it in a cowboy style. I and I dash it in a Justice style. Natty Dread dash it in a cowboy style. Natty Dread I want me horse and me saddle and me ranch. Me hold up on me thing and then me fall in a trance. I say si senor, say senorita. Running at the dance, drink me tequila. Lord, it could be John Wayne in I Wallace or Burt Lancaster. Even the ghost with him call
Pookie or Casper. When it comes to justice, man, we don't fear. We are gonna dash it in a cowboy style. Justice, I gonna dash it in a cowboy style. Choosing will I dash it in a cowboy style. They say you don't go home on the Wolverton Mountain, and that is where you're gonna be my child. Your tender lips are sweeter than honey on the Wolverton Mountain. That's where juvenile will bling 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 bling. No.
Oh yeah. Justice. Son boy, run away. You're gonna die tonight. Son boy, run away or face the judgment day. Let him come with them sound. Want to test justice sound. Come with them sound. And we know that them a come around. When justice sound start to play, them just a walk through the gate. Ooh yeah. People start to shout. A justice sound walk to play. Whoa 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 whoa. Sound boy, run away. You can't play justice sound. Some boy run away.
And where them a go do now? Young boy run away now. Better pack up and leave now. Boom. I said where them a go do now? Upon them backs them a pray now. A sound boy run away now. Boom, trouble again. A justice in the area. Boom, murder again. A sound boy get turned over. Boom, trouble again. A justice in the area. Boom, murder again. A sound boy I feel leave ya. Boom. A sound by play a tune a juvenile counteract. The massive them get up and lick some shot. Them said that juvenile no bite him chop. No idiot sound can't ride pound way back. Worries again. A justice in the area. Boom.
We're gonna kill them now. Hey.
Justice. Yeah man, justice for them place man.
Justice, I kill them now before it's get too late. And a lot of songs, yes, they won't complain with, but tell the sound to wait. And the reason why they wanna beat us so badly, because they know we are the champion and we play with lots of quality. Justice will never die, no matter how they try. Justice will never die. Tonight we kill a sound guy. Justice will never die, no matter what they play.
Gizungi zungi zungi zung zungi zung zung zing. Gizungi zungi 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 zung zungi zung zung zing. Me say justice it's a big bad sound. No hear that sound me say nobody taste we. Yeah. Cause if them never taste the justice, ya know them a go dead and bury. Yeah. One kill a whole pan sound, them must dead and bury. Yeah. Now if I think pan sound come test we, ya know a total cemetery. Yeah.
Rastafari.
Some boy you but reckless like too, and you don't play them not say a thing. I know you reach at the justice place. Now you started to delay. In the middle of the session, now you're some boy above the flap the dance. And Captain Justice showing the plate overall. Overall, Captain Justice showing the plate overall. Captain Justice showing the plate overall. And if you only know the blessing that the justice sound will bring, you will never stay away. Oh no, if you only sing a turntable stack with a rubber dub doublet, you will come to the feast right away. And now the gate is open wide, and the justice sound is playing inside. There is nothing you have to lose. Be much wise and step inside, and listen to the words of the justice sound. And don't let Dr. Satan operate on you. Some boy you got reckless letter, and you double them not say a thing. And now you reach at the justice place, now you started to delay. In the middle of the session, now you're some boy about to flap the dancing. Captain Justice show his mercy overall. Oh. Captain Justice show his the plate overall.
Come on, yes, Daddy Justice, Lord knows you gotta be there. Oh, hey, when the roll is call up yonder, I gotta be there, alright. When the roll is call up yonder, Justice I will be there. And when the rhythm is playing in the dance, I gotta be there, Lord no. Yes, I gotta be there, Lord no. And I'll be singing and dancing sweet reggae music songs. And all the folks in the dance all night long, yeah. So when the roll is called up yonder, Justice sound will be playing there. When the roll is called up yonder, Big Star will be singing there. And I'll be singing a happy song. All the saints will be dancing all along. When the roll is called up yonder, whoa, hey, whoa. So where them a do, me say where them a try. Where them a do, me say where them a try. Trying and I'm trying and I'm trying to die. I'm trying and I'm trying, so them struggling to die. Daddy justice like a mountain, so wide and high. How to talk to curly locks up on Mount Sinai. Hear sound walk, daddy justice fly. Selassie and him angels are gather and I. Temper, yes we gone in a temper. Come on, temper. Daddy justice in a temper. Come on, so where them a do, me say where them a try. Where them a do, me say where them a try. Trying and I'm trying and I'm trying to die.
Them a chat. We're gonna rock it tonight. We're really gonna rock it tonight. We're gonna rock it. We're gonna rock it tonight. We're really gonna rock it tonight. Justice playing in the ghetto tonight. We're gonna rock you tonight. The Papa Justice I go rock you tonight. Oh. Justice kill another zinc band tonight. We're gonna rock you tonight. A Papa Justice I go rock you tonight.
Say justice we a go bury them. Yes, him a go bury them. And I mean it, Lord. All the while them coming at the dance, I want like them big and them broad. But jump on, I want you to know justice. We are the one for the yard. We are go bury them just because them test justice. We are go bury them just because them test justice. We are go bury them. Say justice, him a go bury them.
I wanna kill teeth. All three we go now. Hey, bang bang the angle bang. What da 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 dang dang. Hey, bang bang the angle bang. What da 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 dang. You just call justice my way. Tell them as a case of emergency. Now the baby sound them want this way. Not the baby sound them can't this way. Say them dead. Say them dead. That there's justice and no sound boy dead. We coming like a load gun cap to them head. We use a double plate and chop off them head. We kill them, that before them spread. Say them dead, them set them bad, them set them wicked and way. But after left the justice, they come and run the country. We just ram down, all we come for. Say nice up, don't
we nice gun. Train a tippy. Sound them can't test we them dead. Say them dead.
The society don't like the truth. The truth always cause offense. See, for example, when I told a journalist that I taught Bob Marley to play music, he was offended by that because maybe I must be too black to teach a white man's son music. See? So I don't know what's the conflict all about. Seeing because there is the whole general system of underestimating a black man's ability and integrity. Seeing, especially when you're fundamental black. Seeing, and I realize that I am too black for the business because my business is truth and rights. And if I can tell them a simple truth like that and they're offended, suppose I tell them truth, guys drop dead. See, so I will not even deal with that situation. Music is my business because I taught about music and I am proud to say that I taught many more musicians music. See, because I taught Bunny Wailer's music too. See, I taught Alton Ellis music and they are proud to tell people that. See, it's true. So why should I be ashamed to say I taught Bob music? And then the system or the shit system want it to look like I was Bob's student. See, and that is total definition of my character and the estimation of my ability. See, because I am the dean of my university.
It means I'm just go and play like I'm feel so, but it's my yard then and forget there's a radio station this.
Sister Master, what you say?
Easy Justice, Juvenile, pick up yourself, twin. Justice gonna kill you tonight. He's gonna bury you tonight. He's gonna show you that your sound is a trumpet sound and his sound is a number one sound. He's gonna trash you right now, and you know it now, yo. He's gonna teach you that you should never test this sound, cause this sound is a A1 sound. Listen up, catch this one out. Justice gonna give you dubs. He's gonna give you joy. He's gonna make you dance all night long. I'm so thankful, Justice, I found you. I wanna spend my whole life around you. Mark my word, Justice gonna kill your sound. Son boy, you understand. You better change your plans.
Say, Allah da gada, ilike son boy I go die. Yo. Say, long ago, and long ago, some little circus clown sound. I try to take where justice ground.
Who goes? Stand your horn, stand the evening one horn. Sound boy you fraud, Lord. Hey. See, you only got a few seconds more to drop it right there on the dance floor. In any sound class, Justice ever ready. Boxes are dub plate and boxes are LP. Little rapper pam pam, a peer rapper pam pam. Rapper pam pam, musically rapper pam pam. Rapper pam pam, dub plate rapper pam pam. Rapper pam pam, Justice a rapper pam pam. Say what is the meaning of rapper pam pam? Now go tell another meaning of rapper pam pam. Pam pam with the double that I'm a rapper pam pam. I sound get dropped through the rapper pam pam. Say one Ghana prison through the rapper pam pam. Man a rubber life sentence through the rapper pam pam. Them should not come test my sound in a session. We send him go a musical prison jaman. And him come test we get music life sentence. Through the rapper pam pam and with the rapper pam pam.
Yeah.
Rapper pam pam and with the rapper pam pam.
And I rule the justice in reality. Roots. Oh hi. So where must I find a place to live in this jungle created by mankind? Oh well, and where will I lay my weary head? Tell me how I'll find a peace of mind. Oh well.
Some say earth are unread, oh God. Man and man must ensure them bed. But I feel like running instead and find me a place where justice plays. Yeah. Yes, I'll take me over hills in the valley. I'll find me a place where justice plays. Yes, I'll take me far away from the city. Mother Nature is calling me.
Justice is the champion song. Yeah. Justice is the champion song. What sound can say? Justice is not the champion song. Whoa, yeah. One sound can say justice is not the champion sound. No sound. One sound can say justice ain't alive. No sound. One sound can say justice is not the guiding light. No sound. Justice I protect her when we know is alive.
Original justice, man.
Justice is a light and that's salvation.
Always.
So in asking this question, some boys we shall not fear no.
Remove ya.
We know while asking these questions, some boys will rise up against we. But in justice we put our trust, we're confident they'll protect
every time.
So we're asking he that sound. What sound can say justice ain't the champion sound? No sound. What sound can say justice is not a lie?
Justice
no
sound. Justice with blood. Justice with blood. Why? Justice are you just thumb them at them eye, but them come back with a blood in them eyes. Why? Justice thumb them at them eye, but them come back with a blood in them eyes. Why? Here what? Them a go on a tabo fi cool. Come fish show them say a justice rule. See them now one more did. Don't play it with you than just lick off that it. Make them know justice no easy. And make them know one in there fi squeeze it. Make them know justice no easy. Justice how we thumb them at them eye, but they come back with them blood in them eyes. But justice how we thumb them at them eye, but they come back with them blood in them eyes. Why?
The wickedest time when justice a play. I would by idiot sound of you run away. I would by idiot sound why them have you run away. Yeah, to my sound is a number one. To my sound is a champion. Come listen justice. Kaima Ram Jam session. Whoa, teeth and tongue. John White go and tell. All the idiot sound them a go a hell. All the idiot sound them a go a hell. Yeah, many you sorrows, many you joy. Never you take justice for a time. Never you take justice. Don't take him for a time. Sometimes coffee, sometimes tea. Juvenile I want civility. Ram dance a town and in the country. All of the girl love me, yeah. Whoa, yeah.
Justice for them cases. Saw you last night and told you I'm gonna murder you, soundboy. You know, you didn't believe a word I said. Whoa, whoa. Come today, you're gonna believe me. Gonna murder you, show you not care. Only promise me that you never test me. Justice are the rule. Whoa, whoa, don't test my sound, boy. Oh, na 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 na. Whoa, whoa, don't test this your sound, yeah. Justice, justice, say. Whoa, whoa, don't test my sound, boy. Justice are the ruler. Ooh, oh, don't test my sound, boy. Yeah, nah.
Hey, you man, wants to live amnesia.
Pull up the one of justice. Hey, pull up this Rastafari now.
Just play this because time get crucial. Everyone wants to live amnesia.
Justice out, now. Ooh, hey, ooh, oh, now. Kill them justice. Ooh, hey, ooh, oh, now. I heard you planning to attack me, sound boy. Alright, well, now you buck up in a hardcore justice sound. I heard you planning to attack me, sound boy. Alright, well, now you buck up in a hardcore justice sound. Whoa, yeah. A sound is as strong as the specials they play. Yeah. And each one is brothers keepers. Whoa, now unity is the foundation of survival. It's got to let justice come playing too. Now I heard you planning to attack me, sound boy. Oh Lord, well, Now you buck up in the hardcore justice sound, justice sound. I heard you planning to attack me, sound boy.
You know
good Lord, well,
kill them dead now.
Now you buck up in the
Honestly,
hardcore.
should I tell you we are? Well, I think it's fine, killing jump and song. And you know, say we not afraid, I know all pan song. In a this a sound class, justice sound room. We are gonna dust them tonight, cause we rule. You know I come a long way, changing day to day. But tell me, where do the children play? Where do they play? Where do they play?
Justice, it's today, maybe for you, and tomorrow maybe for me. I said who had keep at his mouth shall surely keep at his life. In this time, Johnny Osborne, I said the wages of sin is death, my brethren. I said the gift of sound is eternal life. Yes. If a man should keep his mouth closed, he will never get thrown down by justice on. No way, no way. If a someone should keep his mouth closed, he will never get thrown down by justice on. No way, give me some boy. It's today, maybe for you, and tomorrow maybe for me. I said who had keep at his mouth shall surely keep at his life. In this time, justice. Fire there must steal them think I could breeze, yeah. Fire there must steal them think I could breeze. Give me now justice. Fi send come call me. Wrong fi send come call me. Wrong fi send come call me. It's today, maybe for you, and tomorrow maybe for me. I said who had keep at his mouth shall surely keep at his life. In this time, in this time, in this time, in this time.
Oh yeah, he fighting justice. Seems I wasn't fit for their society, so they kept remanding me in their custody. Take a look, take another look, yeah. Justice just kill a sound, Lord. Take a look, take another look, yeah. Cause another son get knocked down, and that's why, yeah. Boy, Mr. Brown, alright. Boy, Mr. Brown, champion some justice is in town.
Original justice, man, champion sound.
Boy, so tune in till the morning. Justice sound is playing, and I like it like that. Oh yes, I like it like that.
I've been through all the humiliations. Talking about sing and get $20 and get. I've been through lower than that. I have tunes 1, 2, and 3 on the charts, Whalers, those time. And when we hold a position of 1, 2, and 3, if you check further down, like 9, 20, coming up, we have songs down there coming up.
So you almost got the whole chart,
yes,
right?
We never leave the chart for months. Yes, and all those times we've been on the chart. Sometimes my shoes only have uppers, no downers, my foot on the ground. See? And those are the kind of system that I've been through. But just because of the love of music and the love of my people, knowing that my people have been lost into fantasy And I was heading in the same direction until Jah the Creator said, no, not that way. You're going the wrong way.
How old were you when that came to you?
Well, I was about 18, 19, stepping up.
Are you expounding a new philosophy?
A new philosophy? It isn't a new philosophy. It is the world's philosophy. It's a philosophy of humanity. It's a philosophy, it's the commandment of Jah, given down to man. See? The inadequate distribution of the earth's resources is causing complication upon creation, see? And all those things, unconstitutional laws and injustices, man's inhumanity to man, all those things cause complication on creation, see? The domination of one nation to another nation, all those things cause complication, see? So those are things that we the youths have to rise up and see in this time. Because Jah call upon the youths because they are strong physically, mentally and spiritually.
What should they do?
Well, do as the conscious youths do. Every man's supposed to know what consciousness is in this time. Every youth, rather. No youth supposed to ask any other youth what should he do. He's supposed to know. Because every youth that come in this time is created with a certain amount of consciousness that is more than his parents or his parents' parents. See? And he's supposed to be conscious enough to know what he should have done or what he's supposed to be doing. See?
Justice run things again. Another sound, I go feel the pain. Justice run things again. We got that smile, cause we know we're winning. Tonight is a drum on killing. Justice sound will murder you. And you know it's true. And in a while, sound boy, none of your wishes will ever come true. Justice is gonna trample you. Silent consent is in your eyes. It's accepted, sound boy. If you challenge justice, that is not wise. And you know it. We're gonna do away with you, do what we've got to do, justice will leave you black and blue. Cause we've got that smile, cause we know we're winning. Tonight is a sound guy killing. Justice sound will murder you. Justice run things again. Another sound I go feel the pain. Justice run things again. Another sound I go feel the pain.
Oh yeah, justice. I'm singing about justice. Ooh-wee, ooh-wee, ooh-wee. That's why me sing, play what you're playing and do what you're doing. Cause justice have something, son boy, no dollars can buy. Justice, justice, oh yeah, love this little sound of mine. Ooh, yeah, ooh, yeah. Cause when I ain't got no money, justice is still my sound, yeah. And there is no reason to be funny, cause I, oh yeah, love a little sound of mine. Ooh, I love your justice sound, yeah. You are the champion, yeah. You a veteran, yeah. You a veteran.
Original justice man, champion.
When I am got no money, justice is still my sound, yeah. And there is no reason to be funny, cause I, oh yeah, loving it.
Batman something. Justice. Everybody's talking about justice. I can hear words they say, only they echo in my mind. People keep stopping staring. I can't see their face, only the shadow in their eyes. Justice will keep on killing till the break of dawn. Big bad sound, the number one. Little sound boy, keep yourself calm. The champion in the lawn. Pack your sound and move on.
We tell them, justice
Assist to assist, tell them dose to dose. Justice will draw last, but we shot force. So necessary gun them boss, platinum plus. Bust it up in them face until them get boss. Nobody nah go like justice with danger roast. Make them family and friends them every nose. All me crew leader beg me fi ease them up.
Why you why?
So
why you why?
So
and the little dibby sound there's justice and die.
Justice.
Why you why?
So
why you why? Justice make a little dibby sound boy cry. Justice will keep on playing till the break of dawn. So the champion will live on.
Tell them you call us Iron Man, we got steel with us. We're rolling that the winter blue steel the most. And we make them disappear, repress one minus.
It go Never talk about me brown, Jaja don't say me black. Me slim, me tell them burrow pants and no fat. Me DJ V ball head and dreadlocks. I carry wigs, matting and me diamond socks. Favorite color that a yellow and black. And when me go a show, yes we sit down in a box. Show where we watch Star by Silver Fox. We better than this thing out of a galawas. You trouble raw, why you say you won't get shocked. You hang a man, you hang him high in a tree top. A sound get drop a justice to that. It must be the lyrics that I borrow him can. Come me slim, me no fat, me culture, me no slack. But I man as a DJ know me not turn back. Tick a tack, we make them people them rock. The chaka from the back, a man a roll any block. Go tell them justice are the cream of the crop. Anytime in pass, yes the road of the black. Boom, what this? What that a justice? It a clap. Boom, what this? What that a justice? It a shock. Boom, what this? What that chat? No respect, no notch. Two enough of sniff the coke and enough of melt the rock. Enough of them a one like them a bubble dreadlock. Still I say I got enough of them did a mark. Enough of them a wolfman in a shape rock. We still a sniff coke and still a melt rock. I still a fall a fix and them a eat and the fuck. You have to hold them, beat them badly, cut up them dreadlocks. And raise them out as a lion with a barrage a shot. Two enough of them a think justice, them a shock. Him coming like a mountain where below the rock. Him coming like a mountain where below the rock.
I know. Lord of mercy, Jesus Christ, we nice. The youth them make a hustling by selling keys cup up. Dreadlocks are jogging at them sweatsuit top. Bad boy and police, a fire peer shot. If it never skill me, woulda reach dove cup. In a crisp board box and looking glass on top. Dying out screw, hold it down at that. Lord, you hot. Justice, so me know you well hot. I choose you will talk and him say you well hot. Lord, something up man, me mad fi cry. When me tell you this, that's don't lie. I sound test justice, I die them die. I say 6'6" man, you nasty bitch. A long time with there, you can't stop me from a rich. Hope and we won't stop a satellite dish. And anywhere we go, we have to have our own fish. God we hot. Justice, man, you know we well hot. I choose you will talk, and me know you well hot. Balang, 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 balang.
Redeem. And then the truth to justice is the king. This is the killing. And then the truth to justice is the king. Hear me now. Moving up and down the coast of sound. Moving up and down the coast of sound. No jump on, justice cut down. 6'6", some is underground. Rocking them out and then they're rocking them sound. Hey, alright, justice. Put the idiot sound boy in the oh. Yeah. For this a justice on where the people them love. Justice on where the people them love. You're the A1 sound man. Justice, you're the killing sound man. Justice, you're the A1 sound man. Justice, you're the killing sound man. This is the redeem. And then the truth to justice is the king. Come catch. This is the killing. And then the truth to justice is the king. Hey.
Yes, I know your evil plan. So why you a plan now? Oh well, catch me then. You little tin pan song, you have to run with. You little jump and song, you little come around. You little tin pan song, you better run with. You little jump and sound. Me say you brought us down here in a sound clash, boy. Talking about how you wicked and you bad, but you know you can taste tonight. Justice with I in a different style. You little tin pan song, you better run with. You little jump and song, you little come around.
I say bye-bye, I say bye-bye. Oh, there ain't no trick in the book, justice sound don't know. Yeah, you laugh at him but you're the puppy show. Sound boy, you thought that he was nothing, but I know he is something. Bye-bye, now your game is played on you. Sound boy, there ain't no trick in the book, justice sound don't know. Whoa, cha-cha-cha-cha-cha. Wise men say you reap just what you sow. Sound boy, he's a lion in his kingdom. He couldn't bear without his wisdom. Bye-bye, now you're...
How you roll? Justice have the truth. Every time a sound boy you play against justice, them a drunk yard. Every time a sound boy try to test the champion, them a play hard. We ask them who is the champion sound, them a run off the mouth. We ask them who is the number one, them end up like a scout. We tell them, every time a sound boy you play against justice, them a drunk yard. Every time I sound boy you play against the champion, them a play hard. Justice rule, justice all the way. It is. I heard that they're running away. I wish them good luck, I wish them goodbye. Tell them to pack up them jump and box and fly. Tell them fly. I heard that they're running and hiding. Justice, if they run to the rock for hiding places, there will be no place for someone to hide. For them to hide. Idiot sound boy can't test justice sound. Champion sound boy show you down.
Mama man, just like this to the world. Roll out, why, well, hey. Now not a son gotta get himself together. Roll out, well. Now that justice is taking over.
Pull up now, hey. Justice. Hey, pull up this rasta.
Mama man, well, just like this to the world. Roll out, why, well, hey. Now not a son gotta get himself together. Oh Lord, well. Now that justice is taking over. Hey, hey. Whenever justice is playing and the masses are all skanking, some boy will be dying. You hear the masses, they are shouting. They are listening to the sound of a justice. Listening to the sound of a champion, yes. Listen to the sound of a justice. Listening to the sound of a justice, yeah. Now, whoa, whoa, yes, whoa. See, the days of timp and sound will never be. Oh, no. Not until the wise ones will see. Certain sound thinks they know it all. Then comes later, they stumble and fall. They go down for a reason. Justice giving them a beating. To the justice sound, they got to go down. To the justice sound, beat them down. To the champion sound, they got to go down. To the justice sound, justice, yeah. Justice sound, well, what's up, hey. Took a walk and I passed through the dance late last night, only to hear justice was killing a timp and sound. All the masses were jumping and shout to the justice, the champion sound. All who jumping got to back up and run from the justice sound, the justice sound. justice sound, kill them. The justice sound, the justice sound, the justice sound, kill them. All must come to the dance with wings. On my feet, hear the justice playing sweet beat. All night long, massive jumping and shouting all around. To the champion sound in this town. All those carbon copies got to shake Juvenile and say, justice sound, a champion sound. Justice sound, a champion. Justice sound, the justice sound, a champion sound. Champion sound, like the
Whoa, 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 hey, Bella. Hey. Whoa, 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 hey, listen. Sound clash, don't sweet, hey. Justice, I dust you off your feet. Sound guy, sound clash, don't sweet, hey. Justice, I dust you off your feet. Sound God, listen. I like how justice play. Yes, in play for you night and day. Look all the people, they are chanting for the justice. Yes, I know that, I know him is a must. So sound clash, don't sweet. Justice, I dust you off your feet. Sound God, sound clash, don't sweet. Justice, I dust you off your feet.
The DJ accepts no responsibility for the next record. This is a request.
For real, you know? Killing the sounds. Justice just kill a sound. And we have a throw that one day down. Say justice down lows. Now sound clash where this is a game to play. Right or wrong. Said Juvenile gonna play it his way. And if no sound boy made mistake, it's not justice sound them come be break. Cause we play the plate and let them feel. So don't cut the night. Justice we have a lot of sounds to kill. And Juvenile gonna kill them. Justice we have a lot of guts to play. That's right now. Step the plate and run sound red. And this is that touchy. Run it. Cause we don't put on powder and lotion, no sound boy. Justice, Juvenile. For real, you know? Killing the sounds. Justice just kill a sound. And we are gonna throw that one day down. Say justice down lows. Now sound clash where this is a game to play. Right or wrong. Said Juvenile gonna play it his way. And if no sound boy made mistake, it's not justice sound them come fi break. Cause we play the plate and let them feel. So don't cut the night. Justice we have a lot of sounds to kill. And Juvenile gonna kill them. Justice we have a lot of dubs to play. And Juvenile gonna play them. No matter what they play. And justice play something, it's so sweet. So sweet for we. Alright, well, I know it's been some time since justice is on your mind. Sound boy, you never been the same since we killed your sound that day. And you said it once before that you never been so sure. And no matter how you try, your little sound is gonna die. Justice, we are go kill that sound. We are go throw them down. Sound boy run out of town. Oh Lord,
you must realize justice sound has got the prize, first prize. No other sound can taste him. He's the champion and the king. Oh yes. And no one's to be blamed, cause the mother said, the father said, every sound couldn't be the same. Justice are the king.
Don't try nothing and test him. Ooh, no. You will realize just the sound has got the prize, first prize. No other sound can taste. Just the sound is the best. Oh yes. And no one's to be blamed, cause the mother said, the father said, every sound cannot forever be the same. He is the king.
Justice. Oh God, yes.
96 degrees.
Ooh, yes. Justice in the dance hall, yeah.
Real hot.
Hear me when I say juvenile in the dance hall. Says it's 96 degrees in the dance hall. 10,000 little DB boys here running in the dance hall. Hey, don't you know that they can test? Justice is the best. All them others in pan sound boy have to run, go hide somewhere in the west. Hey, Your Excellency, I tell you about the justice sound. Number one sound in town, yeah. Hold on, yes. Hey, Juvenile, you are the best. Juvenile, no boy can test. Justice sound, yeah. It's number one sound. Ouch. Check it. 96 degrees in the dance hall. Justice, yeah. Real hot. Funny Rock said that justice in the dance hall, yeah.
96 degrees.
Hold on, if you dance, justice.
Real hot.
Oh, Juvenile, you have to be the dance hall, y'all. This Funny Rock from Turtle and Justice said, open up your eyes and see justice has equality. We are the university. Whoa, yes. Justice is number one, y'all. Justice, yeah. Open up your eyes and see. Justice is the musical university. Yes. Open up your eyes and see. Don't you know justice at the musical facility? Whoa, we open up your eyes and see. Don't you know justice is the musical fraternity? Yeah. Open up your eyes and see. Justice is the musical university. Listen, who is that you're looking at? Sound boy, you're a copycat. You can't do justice like that. Who rule? Sound boy, you're fool. Come to the musical school, yeah. Let justice teach you the musical rule. Oh, open up your eyes and see. Justice is the musical university, yes. Open up your eyes and see. Justice is the musical fraternity, oh. Open up your eyes and see. Justice is the musical university, yeah. Open up your eyes and see. Justice run things for you and the air. Justice, yeah. And them run things right now, rude boy. All them other song boy. Skiddly bump, skiddly day. Them dead. Hey. Whoa, 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 yeah. Reggae ambassador. Whoa, 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 yeah. Justice the reggae ambassador. Whoa, 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 yeah. Justice the reggae ambassador. Them run things, y'all. Whoa, 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 yeah. Justice the reggae ambassador. Trust me, listen. Them play it fast and them play it slow. They take the music everywhere they go. I want the whole wide world to know. Whoa, 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 yeah. Justice the reggae ambassador. That's right. Whoa, 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 yeah. Justice the reggae ambassador. Oh Lord. Right now, Father Bunny Rock say history is in the making. Justice and Bunny Rock say, oh Lord, yes. Ooh,
Yeah, 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 yes. Don't you know justice is number one? Justice is champion. Listen, how can it be forbidden if it's love? Justice, I'm your champion. How can it be? Somebody won't you please? How can it be? Somebody tell me, yeah. How can it be forbidden if it's love? It's justice sound. How can it be? Not just that sound. How can it be? It's justice sound. When I look into the dance hall, justice sound. Don't you know you're champion?
Pull up that one of justice. Hey, pull up this
right now, Father Bunny Rock say
no,
history is in the making. Justice and Bunny Rock say, oh Lordy, yes. Ooh, yeah, 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 yes. Don't you know justice is number one? Justice is champion. Listen, how can it be forbidden if it's love? Justice, I'm your champion. How can it be? Somebody won't you please? How can it be? Somebody tell me, yeah. How can it be forbidden if it's love? It's justice sound. How can it be? Not just that sound. How can it be? It's justice sound. When I look into the dance hall, justice sound. Don't you know you're champion? When I check out the dance hall, justice sound. Oh Lord, justice is number one. How can it be forbidden if it's love? Justice sound, you're a champion. How can it be? Somebody won't you please? How can it be? Somebody tell me, yeah. How can it be forbidden? Bunny Rocks and justice again. It's a reggae party. Justice reggae party. Justice reggae party, yeah. We gonna tell somebody about justice reggae party. We gonna love somebody in a justice reggae party, yes. About justice. Oh Lord. Justice, yeah. Check this out. Justice on the east side, killer sound boy on the west side. No tribal warfare in the air. Justice in my string up, the other sound boy, we know him a runner. Justice music everywhere. We gonna tell somebody. Justice reggae party. Everybody. We gonna tell everybody. Justice reggae party. Yeah, 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 yeah. It's justice on the west bank, justice on the east bank. Let's throw our differences away. Justice work hard for this good time, I know. Justice is jamming on the front line. Reggae boys are here to play. We gonna tell about justice. Justice reggae party. Everybody. We gonna
This one is a sample play by Justice. When justice will in your face, boy, you better find something though. That dog culture there, you know. What a lee bam bam ba hey, in a this a sound clash. What a lee bam bam ba hey, in a this a sound clash. My guru prophet Justice prophesy say. Saint Jacob Vigo and Kingston he's gonna meet. And I can see with my whole life is only justice sound stay alive. What a lee bam bam ba hey, in a this a sound clash. He dre, what a lee bam bam ba hey, in a this a sound clash.
Big up juvenile in the house. The man who play rubber dub the most.
Jaja see them a come. Hey, justice a the conqueror. Jaja see them a come. Run come quick. Justice a the conqueror. Them a come with them unfairness. Them no want no justice. Hey, long time ago them coulda keep with that, but no justice the pan top. Aye, Jaja see them a come. Wicked men. Justice a the conqueror. Jaja see them a come. Lion paw. Justice a the conqueror. No matter when, it's a sound band. It comes with control. Watch your head, watch your step, watch your stupid talk. Hey, Jaja see them a come. Hey, justice a the conqueror. Jaja see them a come. Run come quick. Justice a the conqueror. Run come for another sound bed. Lay down on the bed. He didn't show up in the air. Rubber duck cover him face. But all of them scratch. Come, Jaja see them a come. Ah, justice a the conqueror. Jaja see them a come. Hey, justice a the conqueror. As Joe Hill says so. Whoa!
I don't wanna be like Chow Zion guy. I don't wanna be shot out Zion guy. I don't wanna be like Chow Zion guy. Justice needs a need to live in love and fear, you know. Justice alone can give I satisfaction. Fill my heart with love. Justice alone can give I satisfaction. Fill my heart with love. Nothing is wrong but your mind. Everything is perfect. Justice leads the way all day. The birds are the puppies in a cool place of rest. And even the waters flow. And the sun is shining rainbow beyond the frosty cloud. You know, justice alone can give I satisfaction. Feel I heart blue. Justice alone can give I satisfaction. Feel I heart blue. My father Banya, my father Banya, my grandmother Banya, my grandmother Banya, Ayana Ibanya, Ayana Ibanya, my leader Banya, my leader Banya. That's why I not live ya. No, I not live ya. He gave I a message to all those people who no love progress, who no love progress. Said to juke them with land lease, said to juke them with land lease, said to juke them with the pioneer war, juke them with the pioneer war, juke them with Jamal, juke them with Jamal. Then you juke them with sweet.
Me a sat with discipline and a heavy manners. Me in a the struggle too. Me in a the struggle too. No bastard, no day again. No bastard, no day again. Everyone laughful. Oh, everyone laughful.
Pull up the one, pull up the one, Justice. Hey, pull up this Rastafari, no man.
My father Banya, my father Banya, my grandmother Banya, my grandmother Banya.
Someone said justice, you know, said justice.
My father Banya, my father Banya, my grandmother Banya, my grandmother Banya, Ayana Ibanya, Ayana Ibanya, my leader Banya, my leader Banya. That's why I not live ya. No, I not live ya. He gave I a message to all those people who no love progress, who no love progress. Say to juke them with land lease, say to juke them with land lease. Let the juke them with the pioneer war, juke them with the pioneer war, juke them with Jamal, juke them with Jamal. Then you juke them with free education, juke them with free education. Equal pay for women, equal pay for women. Juke them with the minimum wage, juke them with the minimum wage. My leader Banya,
Original justice,
my leader Banya. So help me that I not live ya. No, I not live ya. Me a sat down with discipline and a heavy manners. Me in a the struggle too. Me in a the struggle too. No bastard, no day again. No bastard, no day again.
Pull up the one, Justice. Hey, pull up this Rastafari, no man.
My father Banya, my father Banya, my grandmother Banya, my grandmother Banya, Ayana Ibanya, Ayana Ibanya, my leader Banya, my leader Banya. That's why I not live ya. No, I not live ya. He gave I a message to all those people who no love progress, who no love progress. Say to juke them with land lease, say to juke them with land lease. Let me juke them with the pioneer war, juke them with the pioneer war. Juke them with Jamal, juke them with Jamal. Then you juke them with free education, juke them with free education. Equal pay for women, equal pay for women. Juke them with the minimum wage, juke them with the minimum wage. My leader Banya, my leader Banya. So help me that I not live ya. No, I not live ya. Me a sat down with discipline and a heavy manners. Me in a the struggle too. Me in a the struggle too. No bastard, no day again. No bastard, no day again. Everyone laughful. Oh, everyone
justice.
Socialists are no fool.
Them dead when we bust this.
Truth they reposing. Truth they reposing. Then you truth them with the impact program. Truth them with the impact program. We have them under manners. We have them under manners. Every manners.
Alessandro over there to start the Sunclass Creek, and him start to bam it, Lord. But there is nothing at all that he can do. Now the justice sound pass through, Lord. Tell her it's a case of emergency. A dibby some try test way. Try test justice, yeah. Light mercy, Lord. Justice, just kill a son and send him in the earth, Lord. Call the night mercy, Lord. Cause the next son step in a reverse. Lord, justice is the number one, the only champion. I heard you said to me, you wanna be the number one. You little sound boys, but no way, you little sound boys. Justice is the champion, the king of dancehall. So if you wanna be the number one, if you wanna be the number one, then you got to born again to be like justice is. So boogie woogie woogie, a boogie woogie 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 woogie, boogie woogie 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 woogie. Lord, justice is the number one. Oh, what a bum bum, golden touch. It happens every time the thief is by. Whenever time you play, I get butterfly. Every time your son start playing. Champions on justice. Boogie woogie woogie, a boogie woogie boogie woogie woogie woogie.
Justice rule, equal right and justice.
Look at them the red. Them can't digest it. Hey, apart from me fender, nothing neither, some boy. Anyway, justice play, you just a fella, Lord. You a dibby dibby sound, if you stay in a cellar, my gosh. Don't try to justice, cause him a the ruler. So, apart from me fender, yeah. Off from me fender, yeah. Lock off your amplifier. Justice,